For people who suffer with chronic pain or fibromyalgia, it can be a pretty tough road. Pain isn't the only problem. Sure, muscles and joints can hurt, sometimes no matter what you do, and yes, it can get harder and harder to stay active, and you can feel your strength gradually slipping away day by day. But people with chronic pain also suffer with difficulty sleeping, and they can have extreme fatigue and mood changes. It can be hard to concentrate, and then there are a whole bunch of other physical symptoms. Often it doesn't take long for relationships to suffer too. If that's you, then I'd like to invite you to my free chronic pain and fibromyalgia workshop at Star Physical Therapy in Covington. You see, I believe that you're created for much more than just getting through the day. I believe you have important things to do that are going to make a difference, and I think that life should be fun. Hi, I'm Matt Slimming, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Chronic pain is frustrating because it seems it doesn't matter what you do, it's still there. Are you not quite sure what is the best way to address your pain? Are you frustrated because you feel that you keep going round and round the mountain without making progress? And do you want really good answers to all your questions about chronic pain or fibromyalgia? Do you want those answers to be specific to you? I first started treating chronic pain and fibromyalgia on the North Shore way back in 1996. I was part of what I think was the first support group on the North Shore for chronic pain in the late 90s. Since then, myself and my team of dedicated physical therapists and personal trainers have helped hundreds of people with chronic pain to move forward in life. Sure, we've learned a lot since then, and we have found new, natural ways to help people with pain. But our commitment to lightening your load and helping you live your best life has remained our bottom line. If you're ready to start moving better, have less pain, feel stronger again, then you're going to want to register for my free chronic pain and fibromyalgia workshop. You may be wondering if you need a new medication maybe, or surgery or injections, but you've heard that these options sometimes just make things worse. And you're understandably concerned about the side effects. You might remember that maybe long ago you could do so much more without pain. You just want to go back to those days. I want to help you by teaching you what may be making your pain worse and what you can do to become more active again with less pain. And by the end of the workshop, I'd like you to know what you can do to get your life back. Some of the highlights of this workshop are that you will learn the single biggest mistake fibromyalgia and chronic pain sufferers make, which actually makes their pain worse. The 5 questions that can reveal whether you can feel better naturally. The widely recognized best approach to treating these problems. How to make the best plan for your specific condition. The 5 things that must be included in successful natural treatment, and one simple thing that you can do at home that helps most people with chronic pain. So, register for my chronic pain and fibromyalgia workshop by clicking the link below. If you're ready to get back to doing the things that make life worth living, then this workshop is for you. There's no risk, no obligation, and nothing to lose. It's completely free. Just click on this page to register, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.